Hey guys, today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys some Thanksgiving hacks that you're going to want to try this year.
All those days trying to find a place where you only can just be alone. All those nights lying by your side, like it's a vibe, feeling it shine under your spotlight.
Welcome back to Ria's World of Ideas. If you are new to my channel, I am Ria, and on my channel I love sharing all the ideas that I find helpful in my life and home, and hopefully you'll find them helpful in your life and home as well. So if you're not a subscriber already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave this video, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you're always notified on all the new videos that I put out. And if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up to let me know that you enjoyed it so that I'm able to bring more videos to you guys in the future that you guys would like. So with all that being said, let's just jump into today's video. And like I said, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some Thanksgiving hacks that you're going to want to try, especially if you're hosting Thanksgiving dinner this year. Now, I know Thanksgiving is a whole lot different this year because of what's going on with COVID. Some people are not hosting, like me. We're just going to do a very intimate thing with just my family, but some people are still hosting, and these hacks can help you whether you are hosting or whether you're just doing just a little dinner at home with just your family like I'm doing. So let's just jump into the hacks right now. So the first hack I want to share with you guys is about using this brown paper that you can find, of course, at Dollar Tree to decorate the kids' table. So the kids' table is one of those things that you kind of want to make it look pretty, but you don't want to use any fancy things because the kids can mess it up. So with this brown paper, you can basically take any table that you're making the kids' table, put it over the table, kind of like a tablecloth, and then you can set it with some beautiful cups filled with crayons and markers. And then while the kids are actually there, they can decorate the paper, entertain themselves, and then it's easy cleanup after you're done, because all the stuff that dropped to the table, like the spills or any type of gravy or whatever mess they made, you can just easily wrap this paper back up and just throw it away. So this is a great idea to not only decorate the kids' table, but it's also some entertainment for the kids, because the kids can, like I said, decorate it any way they want. They can draw on it, color on it, play games on it, tic-tac-toe, whatever they want to do, and it's great for easy cleanup. The next hack that I want to share with you guys has to do with the kids' table as well, and you can purchase a shower curtain from Dollar Tree and put it under the table for easy cleanup as well, because once you put it under the table, all the droppings or all the messes that they have will fall to the plastic shower curtain, not on your carpet. And then when everything's done and everybody's done, it's easy cleanup as well, because you can just wrap it up and throw it away, and it only costs you $1 to purchase. The next hack that I want to share with you guys is to set up a cookie decorating station for the kiddos at the kids' table. This not only doubles as entertainment to keep the kids busy, but it also is a dessert for them to eat as well. And you can set it up at the kids' table in the middle of it like a centerpiece. You can add sprinkles, icing, and beautiful cute little containers that you can get at the Dollar Tree, because Dollar Tree has so many beautiful containers that you can put icing and sprinkles and M&Ms, all different things to make it look beautiful. Put it in the middle of the kids' table. Then not only is it something to entertain the kids, it's dessert for the kids, but again, it's also a centerpiece and a decor piece for the kids' table. The next hack I want to share with you guys is how to create more of table space in your house when you're limited on the space that you have. In my house, I have a deep freezer that I keep in my kitchen, and I also use that whenever I'm entertaining. I use that as a serving area as well. So it's like an extended version of my countertops in my kitchen, and it's just perfect for decor throughout the year. But then when I'm having a party or when I'm hosting dinner or anything like that, I can use it to serve. It could be an extra table to be a serving buffet area for all the food and all the dishes that I need to serve. But if you don't have a deep freezer like I do, another thing that you can use at your home that everybody has in their home that you can use as a serving table is your ironing board. Take your ironing board, and if you really want to be fancy, you could just get a piece of board from Home Depot or any board that you have lying around, and put on top. If you want to have, like I said, if you want it to be fancy and be a perfect table, you could put the board on top, put a tablecloth over it, and nobody will be the wiser that it's your ironing board. But for me, like, I'm always on a budget, and people know that I just utilize everything, so I'm not going to use a board because I don't have one on hand. So I just put a tablecloth over my ironing board and leave it at that, and it's an extra serving table for my guests, for appetizers, for sides, for anything that I need to serve. Is just some extra storage space, or not extra storage space, but extra table space for me to serve my dishes on Thanksgiving. The next hack will keep you guys organized during Thanksgiving, and is to create a Thanksgiving bin. Before you cook dinner and days before you're prepping for dinner, make a bin of all the things that you're gonna need for your Thanksgiving dinner. That way you can find things early, like a week before, put everything in that bin so that you're not scrambling for things last minute when you're trying to cook dinner. And then this is also the time that you'll know that if you need to purchase something, you'll be able to go purchase it a week ahead or 2 weeks ahead before you try to do it last minute, like the day before or the day of, and then you can't find the things that you need. So definitely create a Thanksgiving bin that will have all your supplies already there for the day of cooking, and so that you will not waste time and have all the things that you need. Another hack that will save you time on cooking day is to make sure that you have all the dishes that you need as well. All the baking dishes, all the pan dishes, everything that you need to cook, make sure you have it. And not only make sure you have it, but use post-it notes to label the dishes as well. So that way you know that this dish is for the casserole, this dish is for mashed potatoes, this pan is for the turkey, this pan is for the ham. Make sure that you have a pan or a serving dish or a baking dish for every item that you're cooking. A lot of times we think that we have everything, and then we will kind of count one dish. We'll say that we'll have one dish and we'll think that we'll have it for both the mashed potatoes and, let's say, another side. And then last minute we don't have an extra one because we counted on that dish, but we didn't count on that we had 2 dishes that were going to go in that. So make sure that you have all the dishes that you have and use post-it notes to label them so that you know which dish goes with which recipe the day of, and you're saving time when you're cooking dinner. Another hack that I found out this year that I thought was pretty cool was how you can not peel potatoes before you boil them to make it for easy peeling. If you're ever tired of peeling potatoes, or if you want your kids to get in the kitchen with you and help along with you, like the little ones, but you don't want them to cut themselves on a potato peeler or a knife, this hack will help you so much. So basically all you have to do is get your potatoes, make sure you scrub them and clean them very well before you do that. You want to get all the dirt off of it. And then you just put it in a pot of water, salt water, and boil it like you would do normally, but with the skin on. And then once it's like, it's like fork soft, like you stick a fork in it and your potatoes are soft, then you take the potatoes off and you put it into a cold ice bath with ice and water in like a bowl. You basically shock it with ice water. And then after you shocked it with ice water, you would take your potato and it would be so easy to peel off the skin. And when I was doing it, some of the skins were even peeling off before I even touched it. And you can have the kids help you with this, and it's just easier for them because then you don't have to cut yourself peeling potatoes beforehand. It just, the peel comes right off. Once you shock it with that cold water, the peel comes right off of the potato. Make it for easy peeling, and you don't have to worry about hurting yourself or your kids hurting yourself in the kitchen, and they can help you during Thanksgiving dinner. Another hack that I got for you guys is how to keep your gravy warm during dinner when you're passing it around, when it's at the table. Sometimes it tends to get cold whenever you guys have it in those nice little pretty dishes, and this way you can keep it warm throughout the dinner is just by putting it in a stainless steel coffee mug. And I thought this hack was pretty cool, especially since I found this one recently at Dollar Tree. I told you guys in my last Dollar Tree haul, I found this in the Dollar Tree Plus section. This was actually $5, and I love this mug. And what I love about this mug is that it's just plain. It doesn't have nothing on it. So you can basically take any like black stickers or white stickers that you have on hand. You could put gravy on it and then like decorate it. You don't have to if you don't want to, but you can put gravy on it so that everybody knows what it is. Put your gravy in it, and then it has a little spout that you can do for easy pouring all over your mashed potatoes and all over your turkey. And that way your gravy stays warm the whole time while your guest is serving their dinner. Another way to keep your dishes warm if you don't have like a lot of oven space is that if you have a cooler, you can basically line it with aluminum foil, and then any dishes that you want to keep warm, or if you're traveling to somebody's house, you can put it inside this cooler with the aluminum foil and it would keep everything warm. So basically, like when you have your coolers, it keeps things cold because you put ice in there, but the aluminum keeps the heat in, kind of like the stainless steel mug. And so if you want to keep things warm in your house, you can use that as extra storage, or definitely when you're traveling to someone else's house, let's say you're doing a potluck and you're bringing a dish there and you want to keep it warm, take any cooler that you already have on hand, line it with aluminum foil, put your dishes in there, and it will keep it warm until you're ready to serve it, or until you're ready to get to the next house. Another hack that will save you time, especially when you're cleaning, is to triple bag your trash cans. I know this seems like useless, that you might think like, well, how's that a hack? But it does come in handy, especially when you're trying to clean things up really fast, because you really just want to spend time with the family. You don't want to spend time cleaning. And if you triple line your trash bags with the trash bags, when you're taking out the trash, you already have another trash bag in there. So it kind of saves time on grabbing another one. And I know it only takes maybe 5 seconds to do that, but it can really save time whenever you want to have those moments with your family and you just want to save every time that you can just to spend time with them. So those are my hacks that I got for you guys for Thanksgiving. Let me know in the comments down below any Thanksgiving hacks that you guys have that can be helpful. And whether you are doing a big, like whether you're hosting a big Thanksgiving dinner or you're going to someone's house or you're doing an intimate small thing like I am, just whatever you're doing, just be safe. This corona thing is still spiking and it's hurting people all over. So definitely all I ask is that you guys stay safe out there and have a happy holiday, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out, and check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.